A painter in Manila uses the streets as his exhibition venue, inspiring other people to embrace art and passion. Mobile journal Daniel Dayao has the report.
Here in Santa Mesa, a corner has become the studio of an artist named Joey, who continues to paint each day for passion and livelihood.
This is Joey's daily routine. With a few brushes, paints, and years of imagination, he turns blank surfaces to art. For him, painting is more than just a source of income, but something that has always been there since the beginning.
Wala, bata pa ako, gumagawa na ako pagka-graduate ko ng elementary. First year high school ako. Mahilig ako mag-drawing talaga. Ang bagay kasi ang pagdodrawing, pag may gusto ka, halimbawa hindi mo masabi sa tao, daanin mo sa pagdodrawing, ipakita mo sa kanya. Parang sinabi mo na rin, ganun.
Over the years, his art took him from one street to another, accepting commissions from residents while learning to make use of whatever materials available.
Pag nakakita ko ng isang pirasong plywood, kahit maliit, pinipinturahan ko, ililinis ko. Sabay dinadrawing ako, nabibili. 300, 500, ganun. Diskarte lang. Hindi naman parate, minsan wala.
But beyond the canvases and colors, Joey has faced challenges of his own.
Kailangan kasi, mahirap yung nag-iisa ka sa buhay. Kasi may mga pilyo, tsaka pilya. Yung iba, dadaan ng bubuli. Ninihinto ko pagka may inutulo ko.
But through those quiet moments, art remained his companion. And as he spends his days creating, his artwork becomes a familiar sight for some, like Francesca, who sees him as an inspiration.
Madalas ko po dito nakikita si Kuya. As of now, nababurnout ako sa pagdodrawing ko. Seeing him na nagdodraw, nai-inspire ako na what if ituloy ko pa ulit? What if gawin ko tong motivation na mag-draw pa? Ang meaningful din po kasi ng mga nagiging pieces niya.
For now, Joey's makeshift studio remains in the corners of Santa Mesa. With a brush in hand and idea in mind, he embraces his will to keep creating.
Ayokong bitawan yung painting na may masasabi yung tao. Hanggat maaari, magiging 101% siya para sa kanila. Gusto ko, okay ganyan yan. Kumbaga nakakawala ng pagod.
Kapatid Mobile Journal Daniel Dayao, we are One News.